the feature of the RTI that you can use. So if you want to buy like stocks in Indonesia, you can check it out, what happened with the price after the dividend is released. And there's a stock split too here. Okay, there's a stock split too here. You can just click the item. Sometimes I can't hit it like right, but if you can, then I think you can see there's an information in it, you know. So I don't know how to click this. It's okay. There's a stock split 1 to 5. So basically you can see the information of about the dividend. And I don't know why after the stock split it went up. Maybe because it's so cheap that people just buy it all the way. But every time, like not every time, like most of them, after, maybe because there is a commodity price increase, so after the dividend is paid, basically the price like went up. Look at this is abnormal. Usually after the dividend the price is like going down, right? But in this 2016 all the way to the 2019, the price of PTBA is going up 1 2 3 4. Wow. But after, see, it went up. Look at this. Every time it buys dividend, it always drop. But and then it goes up even further. Okay, but during the 2022 to 2023 it went down. Okay, so you can like take a look at any other stocks. Let's say Adaro. This is another coal stock. So it's paying twice every year. You can see in 2023 it pays here on the May and on the 12th of every month. Look at this. So you can see it's pretty good, you know. Any stocks, you know, you can name it, like even this. See, this stock is amazing. Like I think this is the best stocks in Indonesia. Every time it pays dividend, you know, it drops, but it goes even further. Look at the 2020 during the crisis when it went down like from 7,000 to 4,400 rupiah. But after that, you know, it keeps going up. It doesn't give a damn, you know. Look at this. Okay, so by looking at this chart, you can tell which company doesn't get affected that much by dividend. Obviously this company ITMG, which is owned by Thailand, it's pretty strong, you know. Every time you know, it's paying dividend. Sometimes it could go down, sometimes it could go up. So this is like a 50-50. So it depends, you know. So it is like 50-50. Okay, when the trend go down, then it keeps paying dividend. When the trend goes up, it's still paying dividend, you know. So I think there's a good feature that most people doesn't know. And you can see if it is like been stock split or not. And let's see UNTR. This one has been split long time ago. Okay, I think it has been split like a long time ago. I don't know how long it can go back. Okay, it can't go back that far. It's only go back to 8 years. So okay, 2014. Now it's 2024. So it's around 8 years, you know. It's this stock has been split before, but I can't see it. I mean, I couldn't see it on all the way back here, you know. So but this one is pretty good. I don't know how to get this TradingView, but I don't know how to get this from the TradingView itself. So this is my TradingView, and I don't know how to produce that dividend like code or indicator. I don't know how to open it here. Maybe I have to play around with it, but I'm just telling you this is like a very useful features that you guys might consider, whether you wanna sell it on the day of dividend or you just want to get the dividend, you know. In my case, if I buy it at a lower price, like I don't care if the price goes up and down, you know, I will still get the passive income. So this is the stocks that I just bought. It doesn't really pay dividend that much, so you can see like you can choose if you don't have to go through the list. You just go to the chart and you know if the company is paying dividend or not. So there are so many ways for you to check if whether the company pay dividend or routinely or sometimes or all the time, you know. So Another feature is you can see the dividend, but in the RTI, but it's only until 2019, 1 2 3 4, so 5 years back. So you gotta use different software if you want to see the performance, which is the Stockbit. But in here, I like the format. It's just easy to understand, easy to look at it. But with the Stockbit, it's different stock. Okay, this is how the Stockbits looks like. It's more detail, and you can see all the way. Look at that. Wow, all the way from the beginning. If they pay dividend, look at 2011, means I can go back up to 11 more than 10 years. So right now it's 2024, so it's from I can still see it from 2011 if they pay dividend or not, which is like more than 10 years of data or 13 years of data. So it's pretty good. But you can't get that. I don't think you can, and you can do a comparison here, book value and all that stuff here, all that a comparison. Okay, and this is even more detail of cash flow. This is the balance sheets. Okay, look at that balance sheet. You can see up to 2014, and you can also download it, and you can change it in terms of percentage or dollar. This is the cash flow, okay, till 2014, which is pretty good, like for 10 years. And then this is the income statement. You can go all the way to 2014. You can change it to percentage. And this is the seasonality. I think the other software, RTI, you can also look at this comparison. This is the corporate action, but you cannot get the format of the one like this. Okay, you can't get the format to the right like this. You can see the DPR, dividend payout ratio. With this, I cannot see the dividend ratio, only with the chart. Okay, so I'm trying to find a way to look at the dividend ratio every year, but I cannot get it with this. It's only this year, I think, the dividend payout ratio. Okay, it's the payout ratio. Look at 87.35%. okay, but I can't get the data like every year like that. So it's the you have to have like both auto software. Okay, Stockbits. Okay, and you can still see the EPS, earning per share, annualized here, the net income or the earning per share. I think it's pretty much the same, right? Just tell me, guys, if I did. Okay, I think there's a EPS. Okay, you can see the EPS here. Okay, because EPS is like means per one share. Okay, but if it's net income, it's like the whole thing. Okay, so it's different. So you have to go to the revenue, and you can look at the net income after taxes of the revenue, and then you can go to earning per share. Okay, you can also take a look at the chart, even though it's not there's no moving average in it, but it's still only 5 years. Okay, I am using the Stockbits chart, and this is Stockbit, and you can see the dividend here. I don't know which format do you like, but it can go all the way back to 2008, I think. Okay, so it's even better than this one. With the same chart, I can only go back to let's say 2000. Okay, I think this is the 2014, right? See, you can check, but with the Stockbits, you can go all the way to 2009 or 2008. Yes, see, you can see all the dividend. Okay, so stocks, you have to have both of them, I think. Okay, the other row is since 2008. It lists on the 2008, so it means you should be able to see the chart until 2008, right? So if you use the Stockbits, it is more complete of the data feed than the RTI. It's just, but I like both. But with this, you can see what happened with the price, if this goes up or goes down after the dividend. So basically, this is about the software review for the Indonesian stock. Do you guys have any recommendation for the US stocks. I don't know yet, which software is good for the US stocks. I want to see all the dividend and everything. Tell me guys in the comment. This is also by TradingView, but it's just more complete. And let's go back here, so you can click the chart there. On the right side of the 5-year, there's like this graphic stuff you can see. Okay, that's how you turn on the charts. And with this, the special one, you can see the dividend with the graphics. Okay, let's say you go to dividend, and within 10 years you can have this graphics. See, look at the yield, look at the payout ratio. Let me repeat it again. Payout ratio means the ratio that the net all the profits will be given, how many percent the profits will be given to the shareholders, which is the stockholders. And this is the dividend in terms of rupiah, in terms of currency. As you can see, it is you can use the graphic to know how much they're paying. Okay, and with this, the payout ratio, and this is the dividend yield. It has been paying this much, 8%, 9%, 8%, so it's not that much, right? And then it finally it went up all the way to 26%. Okay, which I put it into an Excel, right? To Microsoft Excel. That's what I did, but without the graph. I like it better without the graph, because I like to know all the dividends, and I need to make decision and look at the average. With the graphics, you can't see the average. You can only see if it is going up or down or consistent. Yes, you can, but I like it. I like to type it too, and I like this too sometimes. I just use everything that I can. You can also see in an order book like the current price with this. Okay, and analysis, maybe it's comments by other or community, and there's like a streaming, like all the comment from people, which I never really read it. I don't care. And this is how the watch list looks like. This is the notification. Okay, if you guys like, this is all the watch list that I have. Okay, I have pretty much the best stocks that I think it's worth to read. So thank you guys for listening. Stay strong and question everything. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so I can share even more worthwhile information. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.